cars get any smaller, they won't have room for drivers. Hey, it's doing better without him.
Mary?
He's enjoying that sucker. He's got nothing but candy.
Are you okay, sweetie?